in the previous class we have finished chapter 5 lines and angles. Now let us start chapter 6, that is the triangle and its properties. Triangle and its property. So let us see what is triangle. That is triangle. This is the shape of triangle, triangle ABC. Clear? Now how will you define it officially? It is a simple closed curve made up of three line segments. How to write triangle ABC? It is written in this way. How it is a simple closed curve made up of three line segments. Okay, right? So what is triangle? Triangle is a simple closed curve made up of three line segments. Triangle ABC figure is this. Now how many components are there of a triangle? Components means parts of a triangle. There are three components. One is sides, vertices and angles. How many sides are there? Three sides, children. That is AB, that is this one, BC and AC. Three sides are there. How many vertices are there? Three vertices. Vertex A, vertex B, vertex C. You can write it in this way: A, B, C. That is three vertices are there. Angles. How many angles are there? There are three angles. 1, 2 and 3. Angle BAC, this one. Angle ABC, that is this one. And angle ACB, that is ACB. Three angles are there. So how many sides? Three sides, three vertices and three angles are there. Now next one is classification of a triangle. Classification. There are two types of classification of a triangle. That is, what are they? One is based on sides of triangle and another is based on angles of a triangle. Now on the basis of sides there are three types of triangle. That is scalene triangle. One is scalene triangle, another is isosceles triangle, third one is equilateral triangle. Okay, children. So what is scalene triangle? A triangle in which all the three sides are of different length. That is called scalene triangle. Next one is isosceles triangle. That is, isosceles triangle means a triangle whose two sides of equal length are there. A triangle whose two sides are of equal length, that is called isosceles triangle. Third one is equilateral triangle. As the word equilateral suggests, all the three sides are equal in length, that is called equilateral triangle. Now let us move to the next classification, that is based on angles. If we classify it based on angle, then again there are three types of triangles: acute angled triangle, right angle triangle, and third one is obtuse, OBT, obtuse angled. That is obtuse angled triangle. What are they? Acute angle triangle means triangle where all three angles are acute. All three angles are acute. Right angle means, clear, one of the angles is right angle. One of the angles is right angle. What is obtuse angle triangle? One of the angles is obtuse, OBTUSE. So children, this is classification of triangle, that is based on sides and based on angles you have seen. Now coming to the next segment of this thing, of triangle, that is medians of a triangle. Medians, MEDIANS. Medians of a triangle. That is medians of a triangle. What is median, children? Median is a line segment. A line segment that connects a vertex vertex of a triangle, vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of opposite side, to the midpoint of the opposite side of the triangle, that is median of it, that is called median of a triangle. If a triangle is made like this, let it be A, B, C, then what is median? Median of a triangle is a line segment that connects a vertex of the triangle to the midpoint. Let it be, midpoint is this one, let E be the midpoint, E be the midpoint, then this side, this part is equal to this part. Here AE is the median, is a median, is a median of triangle ABC, and E is the midpoint of, E is the midpoint of BC. Okay children, now notice that children, here how many medians can be there in a triangle? Again children, from here also, from B also one median can be there. Clear? EF, F is the midpoint. From C also one median can be there, that is G can be there. So how many medians are possible? There are 3 medians in a triangle. There are 3 medians. 3 medians in a triangle. Okay children, so this concept of median is clear. So median is a line segment that connects the vertex of the triangle to the opposite side, that connects a vertex of a triangle to the opposite side of the triangle. Now how many medians are there? There are 3 medians. What is altitude of a triangle? That is altitude ALTITUD, altitudes of a triangle. Children, altitude is nothing but it is perpendicular height. What is altitude? Altitude is perpendicular height of the triangle. An altitude of a triangle, an altitude of a triangle is the perpendicular height of the triangle. Now how, let us see a figure that is perpendicular height. See, this is a figure is there like this, that is this one and this one. Okay, what is perpendicular height? Let it be P, Q and R. Perpendicular height is this one. This is called here. What is this? This is P, Q, R. Let it be S. Here PS is the altitude, altitude of triangle PQR. Okay children, so this is here PS is altitude, means perpendicular height of triangle PQR. Again also here you see children, one very interesting thing is that here in isosceles triangle, when isosceles triangle, this is equal to this, that is A, B, C, that is isosceles, ISOSCELES, isosceles triangle. Here median and perpendicular, median and altitude both are same. Clear that in isosceles triangle, then A, B, C, let it be D. AD is the median, and altitude both, clear, in and isosceles triangle ABC. So what is special with isosceles triangle? In isosceles triangle, what median and altitude both are same. Okay, this is equal to this is equal to this. Clear? Now what about obtuse angle triangle? Obtuse angle, OBTUSE, obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle, that is children. What is obtuse angle triangle? Okay, that is children. Obtuse angle triangle. How is obtuse angle triangle? It is like this, and figure is like this. Children, let us draw this. This is obtuse angle triangle here. This is let it be D E F. This is obtuse angle triangle. Clear? How is it? How will you draw the perpendicular height of this? That is altitude. Altitude of obtuse angle triangle there is what is outside of obtuse angle triangle. How? Here you draw it like this. Clear? And what? Produce FE to a DEF, and what let it be G. So DG is the perpendicular height, that is here DG is an altitude, altitude of triangle. Which one? DEF. Okay children, here in obtuse angle triangle, what altitude is outside of the triangle, right? Now how many altitudes are possible? Again ALTITUDE. How many altitudes? 3 altitudes. That is 3 altitudes and 3 medians are there. How many altitudes are possible? That is 3 altitudes and 3 medians are possible, children. Okay. Now children, that is you have been aware of what? Median of a triangle, altitudes of a triangle. Clear? Whenever altitude is drawn, clear, that is called, here it is 90 degree, children. It is 90 degree. Here also it is 90 degree. That is called perpendicular. That is called perpendicular height also. Okay. And what else, children? This. Let us move to exercise 6.1 also. That is exercise 6.1. So these are the basics of this chapter 6 and beginning of chapter 6. Now exercise 6.1. Let us start. That is exercise 6.1. Let us see the question. In triangle, let us see first question. First question is, a triangle is there like this. PQR. Here PM is given to be 90 degree and PD is also there. That is PD. This is PM. Okay. What is there? What is given in triangle PQR? D is the midpoint, children. See, D is the midpoint. D is the midpoint of QR. D is the midpoint of QR. Now you have to fill in the blank. Now PM. What is PM? PM is what? It is, since symbol of 90 degrees is given. So PM is here in blank you have to fill up. PM is altitude. ALTITUD. Why altitude? Because this is perpendicular height and an angle of 90 degrees is being made over here. So PM is altitude. What is PD? What is PD? PD is median. Why median? Because D is the midpoint of QR. It is given. PE is median. MEDIAN. Next is QM. Is QM equal to MR? Is QM equal to MR? What is QM? QM equal to MR? How will you answer? No, because M is not the midpoint, because M is not the midpoint of QR. M is not the midpoint. D is the midpoint. So QD equal to DR, it must be there. QM equal to MR is not possible because M is not the midpoint of QR, children. Okay, now children, this is in question number 2. Draw a rough sketch for the following. In triangle ABC, DE is the median. That is question number 2. Draw a rough sketch. Draw a rough sketch. A is what? In triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, BE is a median. Draw it. In triangle ABC, triangle ABC, answer. That is ABC. BE is a median. That is, what is median? This one, BE is a median. That is here median. BE is a median. It means, sorry, in triangle ABC, BE is the median means this one. This BE is the median. It means AE equal to EC. AE equal to EC. This implies that BE is a median. Okay, children. Now what is B part? In triangle PQR. In triangle PQR, PQ and PR. PQ and PR are altitudes of the triangle. Altitudes of the triangle. How will you draw? That is answer, children. Here it is 90 degree. This is right angle triangle. It is right angle triangle. Here you see this is 90 degree. And what is this? Triangle PQR. PQ and PR. PQ and PR. PQ and PR both are here. Here this is 90 degree. Here angle P equal to 90 degree. So PQ and PR. PQ and PR are the altitudes. Now what is C part? C is in XYZ. In triangle XYZ, YL is an altitude in the exterior of the triangle. Altitude in the exterior, EXTERIOR, exterior of the triangle. What does it mean, children? Altitude is in the exterior of the triangle. What does it mean? Means triangle is an obtuse angled triangle. Triangle is an obtuse, that is this way you write, this way, and triangle is this one. In triangle XYZ, Y is there, X is there, that is X is there, and this is, that is in triangle XYZ, YL, that is from here, this is the altitude, children. YL produce ZX to L, that is here, that is YL. YL is an altitude, altitude of triangle XYZ which is in the exterior, exterior means outer, exterior of the triangle. Okay children, so this is now exercise 6.1 is finished. Now question number 3 is remained, that you will do yourself. Clear exercise 6.1. Okay children, clear. In the next class we will meet with the exterior angle property of the triangle. Thank you and have a nice day.